Welcome. So in this session we will talk about two major apps that have been updated and released under the new education policy, and these are the Tara app and the Carrier app. So Tara app actually is, the full form is Technology Assisted Reading Assessment, a very important question for your upcoming examination. Now under this, what would happen? This would actually help in transforming the reading assessments for students which are in the age bracket or the class bracket 3 to 8, and through technology they would increase their reading proficiency. So far this technology has been deployed in nearly 1200 schools, and as you can see there are four pillars under this technology, which is the word count per minute, the stress or the expression, annotation and phrasing. Of these, this app actually specifically focuses on word count per minute, that is the speed of reading, and bringing in better fluency would be very important as part of this app. So currently it supports two versions, Hindi and English. It uses AI and speech processing for automated oral fluency, and this app has been developed by IIT Bombay. It is maintained by the Tara team, which is the digital audio processing lab at IIT Bombay, and it is working closely with Kendra Vidyalayas. So very important question for your upcoming NET examination. Another important app which has been released is My Career Advice app. Now under this, there are comprehensive sections where the options of job role, education, skill and future prospects are discussed. So it actually takes into account the interest and the aptitude of the students. Then through AI recommended engine, it would give in personalized pathways about what could be the career option a student can go for, and the recommendations would be highly personalized. It would provide recommendations and career pathways for nearly 1000 plus career options. Now this app has been jointly developed by Ministry of Education, Government of India, NCERT, PESIV and Vadhvani Foundation. More importantly, this whole app would be maintained by Vadhvani Foundation. So another important app which has been recently released. Both of these apps are highly important as part of the contemporary section of education for UGC NET paper 1. Of course, we'll be covering numerous other topics for your NET examination. So stay tuned for more updates from our side, and of course for the comprehensive coverage on paper 1, don't forget to go to the link below for paper 1 classes. Thank you.